Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Teacher Shamoon.
Hello, Teacher Shamoon.
Hello, my friend. What is your name? My name is Learner Name. Nice to meet you, Learner Name. Nice to meet you too. And to our listeners, welcome. Today, we will learn English together. We will learn step by step. We will speak slowly. We will repeat words. And we will have fun. Yes, let's have fun. Let's start.
Great. Now you, dear listener, try saying it. Say, hello. Another greeting is, hi. Say it with me. Hi. And when you leave, you say, goodbye. Repeat after me. Goodbye. Good. We can also say, good morning in the morning and good night when it's time to sleep.
Let's review. Hello. Hi. Goodbye. Good morning. Good night. Hello. Hi. Goodbye. Good morning. Good night. Excellent. Practice with me, listener. Hello. Hi. Goodbye. Good morning. Good night. Numbers. Now let's learn numbers. Numbers are very important in daily life. Yes. Numbers are important. We will learn numbers from 1 to 10. Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Good. Now, let's do it slowly together. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10.
Great job. Now you, listener, repeat all numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Days of the week. Next, we will learn days of the week. There are 7 days in a week.
7 days. Yes. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. Let's say them slowly one by one. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Great. Now you, listener, repeat all 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4. Common objects. Now let's learn common objects, things we see every day.
Okay, I'm ready.
Listen and repeat. Pen, book, table, chair, bag, phone, door, window.
Pen, book, table, chair, bag, phone, door, window.
Good. Let's go slowly one by one. Pen,
Pen,
book, table, chair, bag, phone, door, window.
Great job. Now you, listener, repeat all the words. Pen, book, table, chair, bag, phone, door, window.
Great job. Now you, listener, repeat all the words. Pen, book, table, chair, bag, phone, door, window. Now, let's learn some food and drinks. Are you hungry?
A little.
Good. Repeat after me. Apple, banana, bread, rice, milk, water, tea, juice. Apple, banana, bread, rice, milk, water, tea, juice. Very good. Let's go one by one. Apple,
Banana,
banana,
bread, rice, milk, water, tea, juice. Daily activities. Now, let's learn daily activities. Things we do every day. Okay? Repeat after me. Wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, go to school, come home, sleep. Wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, go to school, come home, sleep. Great. Let's say them slowly. Wake up.
brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Take a shower.
Eat breakfast. Go to work. Go to school.
Come home.
Sleep.
7. Review. Now let's review everything we learned today. Greetings. Hello, hi, goodbye. Numbers 1 to 10. Days, Monday to Sunday. Objects, pen, book, chair. Food, apple, bread, tea. Activities, wake up, sleep.
Wow, we learned a lot.
Yeah.